This is gonna make some people sad, maybe even a few happy, but I'm done worrying about that. I quit. Call me a quitter if you want. I don't care, because I've been carrying weight that was never mine to hold, and today I drop it, all of it. You know, that mask we wear. Today I quit trying to be the version of me that made you comfortable. I quit being who I thought you'd approve of. I quit living inside the boxes you built for me, with walls made of opinions and ceilings made of doubt. I quit letting expectations run my life. I quit chasing standards that change every time I get close. The lies I believed. I quit being loyal to thoughts that never served me, the ones that whispered, "You're not enough." I quit giving my past the power to rob my future. I quit guilt. I quit shame. I quit silence, emotional traps, and deadweight. I quit letting people in who've shown me they don't care. I quit friendships that feel more like endurance tests than connection. I quit pretending I'm okay when I'm exhausted. I quit being emotionally enslaved to likes, shares, and fake smiles. I quit being tied to people who confuse love with control. The inner cage. I quit fear. Fear of failure. Fear of success. Fear of speaking up. Fear of falling short. Fear of shining too brightly. I quit dimming my light so others won't squint. The trap of almost. I quit being a gonna-doer. I quit sleepwalking through life. I quit waiting for the perfect moment. I quit waiting for ducks to line up instead of spreading my wings. I quit hesitation. I quit desperation. I quit devastation disguised as motivation. My resignation letter. No, I don't have a 2-week notice. Consider this my resignation from the old me. And no, this isn't sudden. It's been a long time coming. I just finally gave myself permission. What comes next? Don't worry. I'm not angry. I'm grateful. The pain taught me. The pressure revealed me. But now, I'm choosing peace. And I've got something better lined up. A life that feels like mine. If you've made it this far, maybe deep down, you're ready to quit too. Not life, not your dreams, but the noise, the pressure, the lies. So here's your moment. Comment below, what are you ready to quit? Subscribe if you're done living on autopilot. This channel isn't about perfection, it's about freedom. And your next breakthrough could be one decision away. Don't keep this to yourself. Share it, because someone out there is one step away from giving up, and your story could help them hold on. See you in the next one. This time, it's your turn to rise and roar.